Welcome everybody to this brief overview of the Dunamis mining opportunity. My name is Charles Rudabaugh and I'm the Executive Vice President of Sales and Marketing at Dunamis. In the next few minutes, I'm going to share with you an incredible opportunity to capitalize like you've never even thought possible. As you know, people are making fortunes in cryptocurrency, and we're going to share with you a way to capitalize on mining, which is the way to own the business that makes the coins. It's exciting, and I'm going to share with you all about how to do it. Let's go ahead and jump right into the slides. What is Dunamis Mining? Dunamis Mining is a co-location company where you own the mining server and we take care of everything else. It's basically a high-tech babysitting company for computers. And what Dunamis is not? Well, Dunamis is not a broker, a trader, or handler of securities or currencies of any kind. We're definitely not an investment. What we are is an incredible company that takes care of everything so you can get into mining profits. But first, let's back up. I think it's good to understand for a lot of folks maybe watching this for the first time who don't know anything about Bitcoin or cryptocurrency or mining. Let me tell you about a little bit about it. What is blockchain? Well, the blockchain is the network and the digital ledger on which cryptocurrency transactions are recorded and verified publicly. Blockchain is basically the network where everything happens. So if you send me any digital currency, I can actually go to the blockchain and I can trace it and I can authenticate that transaction myself. So cryptocurrency on blockchain, what it does is it provides a financial transparency to the transactions in the financial field that have never happened before. And so, you know, imagine if someone wires you money to your bank account, you can't even tell where it came from. But with cryptocurrencies and with blockchain, there's an address to every transaction. And so you can tell where it's coming from, but there's an anonymity to it because you don't know who owns the wallet. Although you can go back and trace to see which wallet it's coming from. It's incredible. And now that gets us to the next point, which is, what's a cryptocurrency? Well, it's basically a digital currency. And it's being used for buying and selling things and all kinds of stuff. But let me tell you about a few of its key features. Number one, it's secure. You know, crypto means encrypted currency. It's a lot safer than using a debit card or credit card. You know, I saw on the news recently that at gas stations, people were putting on these skimming devices and stealing people's debit card numbers and stuff. So it's very risky out there. So you want to have currency transactions that are secure. Also, cryptocurrencies are cost effective, right? I mean, if you wanted to, let's say, wire your brother in Wyoming $1,000 for Christmas, right? The bank's going to take like $90 a fee to do that. It's very expensive to transfer money around bank to bank. You're charged points and fees, and it can take days, right? That's the last thing, is that cryptocurrency transactions are quick. Besides the fact that you're not having a bunch of nosy bankers asking you about why you're sending your brother money, right? But let's talk about the first cryptocurrency. Most people, when they think of cryptocurrencies, they think of Bitcoin. Bitcoin was established in 2009, and it remains the most valuable cryptocurrency. It still has the largest market cap, and it's actually the backbone of all of the other cryptocurrencies. It's the blueprint of decentralized currencies. There's nearly 5,000 cryptocurrencies out there right now, and they all derived from Bitcoin. That brings us to what is mining, and that brings us to our opportunity and why we're here talking today. Imagine if your bank, you bank with Chase Bank or Bank of America, Wells Fargo, it doesn't matter. But let's say the bank got out of the transaction verification part of the business. These banks are wiring money back and forth all the time. Someone has to verify that. They do. But imagine they got out of that part of the game and they outsourced it to individual people like us. All you'd have to have is powerful computing equipment, right? And you say, yeah, but that would take a lot of powerful computing equipment and take a lot of energy, a lot of electricity. Well, you're absolutely right. And for that to happen, I mean, you're talking in cryptocurrency to make money in this business, a $2 to $5 million investment to set up an operation that's big enough to get a deal, a contract from the local power company to get a cheap enough price on electricity to actually make the operation profitable. So typically this type of an opportunity that we're going to share with you right now is exclusive for people that are big high rollers with big deep pockets, but we're offering an opportunity for average people to get involved. And I'm going to share you with it right now. Mining is how Bitcoins are generated. Most people don't know that actually the coins are generated by the mining. Bitcoins and most other cryptocurrencies are generated by a competitive, decentralized process called mining. Mining verifies the transactions on the blockchain for a reward of a little bit of the coin that's being verified. So if you're mining Siacoin, for example, you're going to get rewarded in Siacoin. See, mining is the process that it involves specialized computation equipment, devices that solve mathematical algorithms. See, every transaction has a mathematical equation that has to be more or less digested by a computer system that to make that transaction authorized. So if I send you money through cryptocurrency, it will verify and then it will pop up on your wallet. Someone has to verify that, and someone has a mining server somewhere that verifies it. And now you can be a link in that chain. Our system lets you own mining equipment without having to know anything about how it works. And let me tell you, you're not the first one finding out about this. This is already going mainstream. This is all over the world. There are entire countries that are making cryptocurrencies their national currencies. There's over 150,000 businesses accepting cryptocurrencies right now. You can buy a Tesla with cryptocurrency. Expedia lets you buy plane flights and book hotels with cryptocurrencies. Remax, the real estate company, they have entire listings where people selling their homes will only accept cryptocurrencies. Prominent figures that you know of and have heard of, people like Bill Gates, are major proponents of cryptocurrency. They're excited about it because imagine, the poverty that's going on in the world. Places like Africa, the poverty, they don't make enough money in a week or a month or a year to even pay the fees associated with owning a bank account. So cryptocurrencies are going to lift people out of poverty. You can send hundreds of millions of dollars for a few pennies. It's crazy. So let me tell you more about our vision. Our vision at Dunamis Mining is to become the world's largest co-location company. We offer turnkey mining solutions, giving the big business mining advantages as a small miner. So you're also going to receive technical support and the same pricing offered on any account, large or small. So whether you want 1,000 machines or 100 machines or one machine, you're going to get the same deal. And that's exciting, because never before has a little guy been treated like a big-time investor. So the Dunamis solution is what's called a high-capacity secure mining space contract. So we sell the space. We basically sell space on a rack in a building. We plug in your machine and we take care of everything. And you can buy that space from us, and we'll tell you all about it. High-capacity secure mining space, the features include all the electrical supply, high-capacity electrical supply, discounted subsidized energy pricing, cost prices on the most profitable machines out there to mine the most profitable coins, 24/7, 365 technical support, state-of-the-art security systems, and fiber optic internet connection. It's all included. Dunamis is crypto mining simplified. It's totally turnkey. So what's your role? You say, well, what do I have to do? Really not much. You buy it, and we plug it in and take care of it. You sit back and relax and make huge profits. So let me tell you about what else it includes. Our lease contracts give you access to microspace within our facilities, whether you're providing your own mining equipment or buying or purchasing one of our state-of-the-art units. Dunamis is here to serve all of your mining needs. We have 1-year, 3-year, and 5-year housing plans. Our 1-year housing plan is $1,400 with 1 month of free power. Our 3-year plan is $3,200 with 3 months of free power. And we have a 5-year plan that's by far the best value for $4,200 and 6 months of free electricity. After your free power period, we're only going to charge you 5 cents per kilowatt. That's cheap. Let me tell you, that's a really deep discount. And the reason why we can do that is because our electrical partnership provides subsidies to us that we pass on directly to you as a client. So the wholesale equipment, well, Our global reach and our reputation provides us with highly efficient mining equipment and world-class partnerships. We employ top industry talent to source the best cryptocurrencies to mine, resulting in low cost of ownership and a fast break-even point to get you profitable as fast as possible. There's 6 ways to earn money. Everybody makes money way number 1, with mining income directly from the machine. And that's really what sets this apart as far as any other opportunity out there in the world with a referral component attached. We do have a referral component that I'm going to jump right into here in a minute. But I think the biggest thing to point out is that with Dunamis Mining, you don't have to refer this to anyone. You don't have to tell anyone about this. But logic always prevails and people get excited. They start making money. They're getting paid to their wallet every single day and they want to start telling people about it. Well, we have a program designed for that and you can opt in to this program and start referring this to people and we get paid multiple ways. But the first way you get paid is the first way everybody gets paid. Every single day, 100% of the profits from your machine goes directly to your e-wallet. We don't middleman it. None of it goes to the company and then to you. Nope, it just goes directly to you from your machine to your wallet. Everybody makes money every single day. But we also get paid a second way called a miner introduction bonus. If you introduce this concept and idea to anybody that you know or anyone that you don't know, you share this with them, they watch this video perhaps, they get excited and they buy their own high capacity mining space contract, then you're going to get a bonus. So a miner introduction bonus is earned when someone in your first 5 levels purchases a contract. 15% on your level 1 and 1% on the subsequent 4 levels. As you can see here in the drawing and the graphic, the big purple bubbles are 15% because you personally introduced them. But as those people start sharing this with other people, this starts to grow and you'll get 1% bonuses on those next 4 levels as well. And we offer more business volume on each of those housing plans than any other company. That's how we do it. And now the team bonus. So in this example, you can see we've got a big blue team and a smaller purple team. As we build 2 teams, 2 lines, 2 legs of business. As these businesses start growing and referring more business, bringing in more contracts, referring more business to the company, it starts growing and growing and growing. And you can get paid not just on the people that you introduced, but also bonuses based on the extrapolation and the growth as this thing grows without you. So a team bonus is earned when new volume enters the lesser leg of your business. So in this case, it's the purple team. So let's just say, for example, you had $60,000 in business come in, $60,000 in high capacity mining space sold in a month in your purple team. And in the blue team, let's say $100,000 in space was sold for the month. Well, if you had a 1-year housing plan, you would get 10% of that $60,000 in a one-time bonus. That would be a $6,000 bonus for you. Let's just say, for an example, right now, you're seeing this, you're like, Charles, I'm looking at the numbers and it looks like I'd get a way bigger bonus if I had the 5-year plan. Well, that's absolutely right. The 5-year plan makes the most sense anyways. And if you're really realizing right now that you already purchased the wrong plan and you already have a 1-year plan and you want to upgrade to a 5-year plan, we can upgrade you for the difference. And now you're going to be getting a 15% bonus instead of just 10. So the difference there is you'd get a $9,000 bonus on that business instead of just a $6,000 bonus. So we can upgrade you, just let us know. And we also have a 4th way to get paid. 4th way to get paid is called check match. This is really exciting because you want your people to make a lot of money. When the people in your organization and your team that you've referred and that they've referred to start making big money, you can earn a matching check. So earn 5% lifetime check match on all of your Generation 1 referrals. So in the same example we showed you before, you introduced these purple, the purple guys there, purple guys and gals, and you would make 5% on their checks. So if someone is making $10,000 for the month, you would make a $500 bonus. If you did that 10 times and you had 10 of those purples there, 10 people making $10,000 each, you'd make 5%, you'd be making $5,000 coming in every single month because those people were all making $10,000 per month. So it's a matching check, and that's incredible. Help other people make money, and you get paid. And that's exciting. But even more exciting than that to me is the enrollment bonus pools. You can make more on this than everything else combined, especially as the company keeps growing. So what the company's doing every single month is pooling 6% of the entire revenues of all of the new business that came in, 6%, let's say there was $1 million in mining space sold for the month. Well, that would be $60,000 allotted to these 3 mining pools. 2% at each one would mean there would be 3 pools with $20,000 in each one. And then you get into pool number 1 because you hit the level of gold. I'm going to go into the ranks in just a second. But you hit the level of gold, and let's say you're in that mining pool with 4 other people. That's 5 of you splitting up $20,000. That would be an extra $4,000 bonus for you. And you say, Charles, but man, this is getting exciting and I want to get to that pool number 2. Well, that would be a really good idea because you don't leave the pool number 1 to get into pool number 2. It compounds and you get pool number 2 in addition to pool number 1. And let's say you're in that pool with only 1 other person. Well, that would be $20,000 from pool number 2 divided up by 2 people. So you'd be getting a $10,000 bonus from pool number 2 and plus the $4,000 bonus from pool number 1. And you say, Charles, man, I just want to go on a run. I just want to build this for 90 days, put my head down, share this with more people, refer more business, and get into pool number 3. If you were in pool number 3 alone, you'd be getting the $20,000 all by yourself. Because what happens is as you grow yourself in a company, you become more exclusive, you become more valuable, and there's less and less people in these higher level pools because it takes work, and you have to refer this out to people in order to work your way up. We have different ranks that reward people for different levels of effort. The first level is called prospector. You guys, everyone knows what a prospector is, right? A prospector is someone that came across the Rocky Mountains during the gold rush because they wanted to start mining gold to enrich themselves, right? And you can be a miner and you can be a prospector as well just by starting to refer some business. And you work your way up to the level of bronze and silver. When you hit the level of gold, like we talked about earlier, you open up that first mining pool, and you, as well as getting a free vacation. I'm going to talk about that in a second. And as you work your way up through platinum, titanium, executive, and these higher levels, there's a car program where we give a bunch of free cars away. Let me tell you all about it. The 6th way we make money is through rank advancement bonuses. By working your way up through these ranks, you're going to get bonuses that are extra money. It's just like a big high five saying, great job, here's an extra bonus. But here's what I want you to know. The volume is cumulative. It never flushes. So when you want to go from prospector to bronze, you just have to go from 10,000 in volume in your lesser leg to 25,000. That's just a difference of 15,000. And now you rank advanced to bronze, and you've already earned a $500 bonus. Now you've earned an additional $750 bonus for a total of $1,250. Now you rank advanced to the level of silver, and now you're going to get an additional $1,250. And so you're made 3 bonuses already just from working your way up the advancement ranks. The level of gold, this is super exciting. Upon achieving the prestigious rank of gold, you're going to qualify for a semi-annual, all-expense paid dream trip somewhere in the continental U.S. So maybe we're going to go sailing in Miami, or maybe deep sea fishing in San Diego, or maybe we'll go on a glacier cruise in Alaska. But somewhere in the United States, for several days, you're going to be with incredible people, the leaders of the company, the ownership staff, the team, everybody that you want to surround yourself with to get deeper and heavier into this crypto space, surrounding yourself with incredible people that are motivated and inspired to work their way up in life. But you don't have to stop at gold. Keep moving. There's rank advancements that pay even bigger bonuses. Platinum pays a $5,000 bonus. And by going from platinum to titanium, it's just an extra $100,000 in volume and an extra $5,000 bonus you get. Remember, the volume is cumulative. It never flushes. You want to keep going. Get to that level of executive, and now you're going to get an island destination luxury vacation. I'm telling you, this is the luxury trip of a lifetime. I can't wait for you to come on a trip with us. We have a trip planned real soon. There's a video. I can't wait for you to watch it. But look, you know, it's a totally different story when you're going on a trip versus a vacation, right? Because a vacation is when someone else pays for it. A trip is when you pay for it. You know, you come home and you look at your credit card bill and you start tripping, right? So you want to come on vacations. You want them paid for. You want to have some fun. You want to come with us. We're going to take care of everything. Just get to the level of executive. But don't stop there. Get to director, and you're going to qualify. You're going to earn a Tesla Model 3. It's already paid for. No car payments. You're going to get the keys and the pink slip to a Tesla Model 3 so you can drive around and not spend any gas. right? Keep going to the level of vice president, and you're going to get a second car. So you've already got a Tesla Model 3 in the driveway, but now you're going to have a Tesla Model S. And you're going to be driving around in style in the big boy car as a vice president of a mining company, driving a free Tesla Model S, your second free car. But don't stop there. Senior vice president is going to get you an incredible luxury vehicle, a black label Lincoln Navigator that's perfect for picking up groceries, right? And carrying the whole family with you wherever you want to go. And obviously, for people that are overachievers, that really want to do big things, keep referring this to people, keep sharing it with people, let this thing grow out of control, and you'll get to the level of chairman. And chairman, you're going to be driving around a brand new Bentley Continental GT with a W12 engine. That's the one with the big engine, an incredible car. And I think once you drive this, you're not going to want to drive anything else, but at least you'll have something beautiful to take out on date night. Ladies and gentlemen, this is all we do here at Dunamis. We share this with people and we make money on mining. So don't wait around. Pick a housing plan. That's step number one. Pick the plan that fits into your budget. And number two, once you've picked your housing plan, then you can pick whatever machine makes the most sense for you. We have machines in the $2,500 range that are mining around $10 a day. We have a machine at around $3,000 right now that's paying north of $20 per day. So just check with the person that introduced you to this. Get back to the person that shared this with you to get the most current information and pricing on the best machines for you to pick up. Don't wait around. Don't waste time. You know, most people in life are always aiming. They're always aiming, but they never shoot. They say, someday I would have, and someday I wished I would have, and I should have. But successful people, they shoot, they re-aim, and then they shoot again and they hit their target. So what I'm saying is don't waste time. This cryptocurrency thing isn't going away, and you have an opportunity right now to capitalize in an incredible way that you might have never imagined, but no one can ever say that you didn't have an opportunity. You've just been shared the Dunamis opportunity, and we're powered to pay. We'll see you soon.